Card Draconis will be a 2D digital card game with strategy elements. The Hook. Duel a dragon that grows in power every turn if you, the Dragon Keeper, cannot choose and play the right cards to power up your own dragon. The player will win the game once they have earned a total of 70 dragon points. If the player's dragon is ever reduced to 0 defense, they will lose the game. At the beginning of round 1, the player will draw 3 cards and add these to the card pool. The player is allowed to trade out 1 card per round, so I will trade out this numerical 1 card. Now, I must get my attack value of my dragon to match the defense value of the enemy dragon. In order to do this, I have to use these cards. So what I'm going to do is play this numerical 2 card on the enemy dragon. This is going to make its defense 3. Any numerical card played on the enemy dragon will always add to its defense. I'm going to play this yellow flame card on my dragon, which is going to make my attack 3 or my defense 13. Yellow flame cards will add to both attack and defense values of whatever dragon they are played on. Now, because I have matched my attack to the enemy dragon's defense, I will win this round. So that's going to be 5 points for winning the round that I earned. I get 3 points for every yellow flame card played, and 2 points for the numerical cards played. So that's a total of 10 dragon points that I earned for playing that round. This value never carries over, only the defense. The enemy dragon will always increase in power by adding 1 to both values, so this is going to become a 2/4 dragon, and this is actually the antagonizing force of the game. The dragon growing in power every turn. I'm going to draw the 2 cards because I already had 1 there. The card pool can never exceed more than 3 cards. I'm going to trade out 1 of these reversals. Now, you just saw that I had 2 reversals there. Now, this is going to be a risk that the student team has to deal with because if they're continually getting the same cards over and over again, it's going to make the game very unfun. So the student team needs to make sure that they have the code written correctly for the randomization of the cards. Now, I don't have anything here that I can match the attack and the defense values with, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play this 5 card. This 5 card is going to increase my attack to 5, but because the values do not match, I'm going to take damage this turn. My attack is higher than the defense value, so 5 minus 4 is 1. I will take 1 damage to my defense value. So if I had played this 3 card, my attack would be 3, but it would be lower than the defense, and then I would have to take damage from the enemy dragon's attack value of 2. So that was the better play there. So the player needs to think about those kinds of things when playing the cards. Now I do get 2 points for playing this numerical card, but I didn't win the round, so I don't win those points. This goes back to 0. This changes to 3/5 because it grows in power. I get to draw a card. I'm going to trade out this reversal card. There you see I got another one. But I'm going to play this reversal card in this dragon. Reversal cards will cause the values to swap of whatever dragon they're played on. So this is going to become 5/3. I also get to draw a card once I play a reversal card. That's a perk of playing the card. I can then play this on my dragon, making my attack 3. I match the values, so I win this round. I get 5 points for winning the round, 4 points for playing the reversal, and 2 for playing the numerical card. So that's a total of 12 points added to this 12 I already have. So we're going to be looking at 24 total dragon points that I'm up to currently. That is example gameplay for Card Draconis. Thank you for watching. Card Draconis is similar to Hearthstone because they both are digital card games with strategy involved, but Card Draconis lacks the amount of cards Hearthstone has and doesn't have that colorful, high-quality card art that Hearthstone currently does. Thank you for watching my pitch on Card Draconis. Have a nice day.